All right, guys, we just finished up this 1963 split window Corvette from RJ Race Cars for Jack Campbell. This is Jack's first nitrous car. And so Jack has a goal of hitting 200 miles per hour in the 8th mile before retiring from racing. And he brought us this car. This is JD Campbell's dad. And JD is well known in the nitrous industry for racing nitrous combos, but his dad's always ran NA combos. And so they brought us this car and said, hey, set it up so that it's a great setup and we can go check this out. So now he's investing time into learning all the in and outs of nitrous car racing. So let's check this out. We took and upgraded it to the, what brand is it? The MagnaFuel regulators. You got one for your carburetor, one for the nitrous system, the MagnaFuel fuel block. The reason why I picked MagnaFuel is I wanted it to match the fuel pump setup. Of course, it's all flow supply, hoses and fittings. It's got a 4-solenoid direct port, trash cans for the nitrous, and the 177 fuels. And if you come back around here, you can see the nitrous outlet, wide open throttle switch bracket. We tied in, our nitrous solenoids have purge ports, and we tied into the nitrous solenoid with the purge. And then we just remote mounted the purge discharge over here. We got our bulkhead through firewall. We had to actually mount this one backwards because we're so close to the crawl space right here to tuck it in a little bit. We'll come on back around over here. I have the bottle out of it now, but we got our nice race light bottle brackets, our nitrous filter, our inline ball valve. It's all -8 hoses up front. And then it's got our Milwaukee base for running the wraparound bottle heater. And if we come around over here, we did take the CO2 regulator. This car had a separate CO2 system, and I took the regulator he had and adapted it into the nitrous line. So we're controlling the shifter and the parachutes with the nitrous bottle instead. So he's only got one bottle he has to maintain. The nitrous system, we made a custom switch panel that bolts to his Biondo controller here. Of course, we made it look like a nitrous bottle, just nice little touch. Advantages of having the right equipment in-house. It's got the ProMax controller with the touchscreen. It's removable. It's got nitrous pressure sensor, fuel pressure sensors. I mean, this car is set up to be able to do anything he wants to do and have a nice, reliable nitrous system. So we're done with it. We just finished it up. We're gonna load this thing up, and now we're gonna go watch Jack make his first nitrous pass. So stay tuned.